Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. This is Dami O's kitchen and I'll be taking you through the process of making your own plantain chips at home. If this is your first time, please click the button below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for joining today. Welcome. I'll be making use of some semi-ripe plantains, some salts, and I'll need some vegetable oil for frying and a grater to grate the plantains. First of all, you have to wash your plantain, clean them properly before you start peeling, and then you take out the skin of the plantain. I already grated some plantain down, but I'll show you how I used my grater to get that flat looking plantain slices. So you want to use the part of the grater that is flat, that looks like a potato peeler. You slide the plantain over the surface and then it gives you really nice thin slices of plantain that looks like your chips, your plantain chips you love to buy at the supermarket. That's the part of the grater that you need to achieve that flat, tiny looking slices of plantain. At this point, you want to put your pot on fire and heat up some oil. When it's hot, then you pour in some plantain slices. Do not add too much so that you'll be able to get crispy looking plantain. And so make sure that you keep stirring, you turn from time to time, keep stirring from time to time so that they don't stick together, and then allow to fry until golden brown or to your preferred brownness. And then you take it out of the oil and put on paper towels to drain out the excess oil. You sprinkle some salt on it and allow it to cool down before pouring into a glass jar for storage. Voila, your plantain chips is ready. Please don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Dami O Kitchen, like, subscribe. Thank you.